So we start off today's video with someone who has hair just past their shoulders. The stylist looks like he may be doing a bob for this hair change. Wow, this bob looks absolutely breathtaking. I love how much volume and fullness she has. Absolutely stunning makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more short hair transformations. So here we have the stylist cutting a beautiful pixie bob style. I love how he tousled the front. This is so pretty. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay on top of all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a long to short hair transformation. Looks like he's adding in some bangs. Wow, beautiful shoulder length bob hairstyle, and she does have some nice face framing bangs. Beautifully done. And then we see someone in for a cut refresh. Looks like she's getting a nice pixie cut with this hair change. A little bit of color added as well. Wow, absolutely stunning pixie bob style. She does have this side swept bangs with this. Beautifully done. And that color looks amazing on her. Here we have someone with hair just above the shoulders. Stylist does a little bit of trimming with the hair. The stylist is doing a beautiful angled bob haircuts. Wow, I love the shape of this bob. She looks absolutely incredible. Very nicely done. Such a chic, short style. Next up, looks like we have a pixie hair transformation. Stylist is going quite short for this pixie makeover. Oh, and she did end up dyeing the hair blonde. Very nice spiky texture throughout. Beautiful hair change. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.